Once you've got your overall WordPress website set up, it's time to install a theme. If you've already got a theme set up on your website, then you can skip this lesson. A WordPress theme controls the design of your site, so how it looks. There are many thousands of themes available, but you can use any theme that says it is compatible with WooCommerce, which you'll need for your online shop later on in the course. For this course, I'm going to use the free Storefront theme, which is by the same company as WooCommerce itself. It's really simple to use. You can customize elements like the colors and so on, and it has everything that you would need for a typical online shop. If you don't like how Storefront itself looks, it also comes with a range of child themes which you can use to change how it looks. So it's still powered by Storefront behind the scenes, but you can choose any of these child themes. And if you want even more flexibility, then you can go to any theme company's website or a marketplace like ThemeForest and choose a suitable theme there. I'm going to show you how to install Storefront now because that's what we're using for this course. So in the WordPress admin for your website, go to Appearance Themes and then Add New. And you want to search for the Storefront theme. Once you've found it, you click Install, and once it's installed, then you can click to activate it here. So that will enable the theme on your website so that it will look like the demo, although obviously I haven't created pages or anything yet. I'll show you quickly what it looks like just to give you an idea. So it's a very simple design by default. I can change elements like the colour of the header and so on. And I have no content on my website yet either. That's for the next lesson. And that's why we've just got one default post here. To tweak the design a bit, let's go to Customize. This is where we have our theme options for the Storefront theme. If you're using a different theme, then the theme options panel might be elsewhere, so refer to the documentation. I can change elements here, like the name that appears above the website. If I have a logo for my company, then I can upload the logo there. And you can also add a tagline if you don't have a custom logo. Here, this is the tagline. So if you have got a text logo, you can put some text underneath describing your company. We can also change details like a header colour. So I could change the header, and you see that does all of that. I'm going to keep mine really simple and minimal, but you can see how there are different options to customize it. And similarly, I quite like the button colour as well that you can change. So that will affect all your links and your buttons on the site. So you can match them to your brand and make everything really nice and consistent. And once you're done with your theme options, you can preview it on the page, which is really handy. And then you click Publish to make your changes live.